Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 7. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540 and 2820. Right? Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. Mean enrollment. Here you are finding the mean enrollment. Here you see that is the solution will be like this. Mean enrollment is equal to mean enrollment is equal to sum of numbers of enrollment, sum of numbers of enrollment divided by total number of enrollment divided by total number of enrollment. Total number of enrollment. Now you have to sum all the enrollment, that is 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 divided by total number of enrollment is 6 divided by 6. You have to add all these numbers, right? If we add all the numbers, what you're getting, you see 1555 1670 1750 2013 2540 2820. If we add all the numbers, 5 plus 3 8, right? 5 plus 3 is 8. If we add the numbers, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 1 18, 18 4 22 plus 2 24, 24 2 carry, here it is 4. Now third number is 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 6 28, 28 plus 5 33, 28 plus 8 33, 33. Now 3 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, that is 12,348, right? That we are getting 12,348 divided by 6. Now we will divide 12,348 by 6, right? Divide this number, that is 12,348 divided by 6, right? Therefore 6 2s are 12, 3 is less, therefore it is 0, 3 4, right? Now 6 5 is 30, 34 minus 30, that is 4, and here 48, and 6 8 is 48, 6 8 is 48, 0, that is comes to 2058, 2058, right? Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. Thus, or therefore, the mean enrollment, the mean enrollment, the mean enrollment of the school is 2058, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.